All right, let's jump right into one of the handiest features on your iPhone, taking a screenshot. It's something you'll use all the time, so let's get you up to speed.
Have you ever been looking at something on your phone, maybe a hilarious text, a map you need, or even a new high score in a game, and thought, I wish I could save this? Well, you can, and taking a screenshot is exactly how you do it. It's so easy.
Okay, first up, let's talk about the newer iPhones. If your phone uses Face ID to unlock, the ones without that round home button at the bottom, this method is for you. And honestly, it's super straightforward.
So what you're going to do is find two buttons. First, look on the right side of your phone for that single side button. The one you use to lock your screen. Got it? Good. Now on the left side, you've got your volume buttons. You're looking for the volume up button.
Now, here's the magic part. You're going to press that side button on the right and the volume up button on the left at the exact same time. It's just a quick press and release. You'll hear that familiar camera shutter sound, and the screen will flash for a second. That's how you know you got it.
But what if your iPhone still has that classic circular home button right on the front? No problem at all. We'll just use the classic method. The button combo is a bit different, but trust me, it's just as simple once you know it.
For these models, you're still going to use two buttons. First is that trusty home button right there on the front. The second button is the one you use to lock your phone. Now, depending on how old your iPhone is, that button might be on the top edge or on the right side. Either way, find that one.
And yep, you guessed it, just like the other method, the trick is pressing them together. Push the side or top button and the home button at the same instant, and then let go. You'll get that same flash and click, and boom, screenshot taken.
So let's just break it down one more time. It all depends on your phone model. If you've got Face ID, you're using the side button plus volume up. If you've got a home button, you're using the side or top button plus the home button. See? Two super easy combos to remember.
Okay, so you've pressed the buttons, you heard that satisfying little snap, you've officially captured your screen. But what happens now? Well, right after you take it, you'll see a tiny little thumbnail pop up.
Just glance down at the bottom left corner of your screen. For a few seconds, you'll see a little preview of the screenshot you just took. This is your window of opportunity to do something with it right away. And you've got options. You can tap on that little preview to open up an editor where you can crop it, draw on it, or even add text. You could also share it straight from there to a friend. Or, if you don't need to do anything with it, just swipe it to the left to get rid of it. And don't worry, if you do nothing, it'll just save itself automatically to your Photos app.
And that's pretty much all there is to it. Once you get that two-button combo down for your specific phone, you've got a really powerful and useful tool right there in your hands.
It really is that simple. A quick press of two buttons, and you can instantly capture and save literally anything you see on your screen.
So go on, why not give it a try right now? You've got the know-how. You can now capture, save, and share absolutely anything you want from your iPhone screen.